In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old Windows Update files in Windows 10 and 11. These update files can take up a lot of space over time, and cleaning them out is a safe and effective way to free up storage and keep your system running smoothly. We're going to use a built-in Windows tool called Disk Cleanup. You don't need to download anything, and you don't need any special technical skills. Just follow along carefully and make sure you only remove the items we talk about. First, open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Disk Cleanup. When you see Disk Cleanup appear in the results, go ahead and click it. A small window will pop up asking you to select the drive you want to clean. In most cases, this will be Drive C, which is where Windows is installed. Make sure Drive C is selected, then click OK. Windows will now quickly scan your system for files that can be safely removed. When the Disk Cleanup window appears, you'll see a list of file categories with checkboxes next to them. At this stage, we're interested in system files related to Windows Update, but they may not be visible yet. To see them, click the button that says Clean Up System Files. The window will close for a moment and then reopen after Windows performs a deeper scan. Again, make sure Drive C is selected if you're prompted. When the Disk Cleanup window returns, you'll notice more options in the list. Carefully scroll through until you find Windows Update Cleanup. This is the key option that removes old, superseded update files that Windows no longer needs. Check the box next to Windows Update Cleanup. You can also review other categories like temporary files or delivery optimization files, but only select them if you're sure you don't need them. If you're uncertain, it's perfectly fine to leave everything else unchecked and focus only on Windows Update Cleanup. Once you've selected Windows Update Cleanup, look at the bottom of the window and click OK. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete these files. Click Delete Files to continue. Windows will now start cleaning up the old update files. This process can take several minutes, especially if it's the first time you're doing it, or if there are a lot of old updates stored. During this time, avoid shutting down your computer. When the window closes, the cleanup is complete, and you've successfully removed old Windows Update files from your system.